morning, OMG Nation. It's good morning for me. I don't know what time it is when you guys are watching this, but good morning, good evening, good night. Not good night as in bye. I'm getting sidetracked, squirrel. It is a, you know what? I was just about to say bone chilling, but it's really not that bad right now. I may feel different when I get on the interstate, but it's 57 degrees right now. Whoop, let me dodge those. And it's a little chippy. Chippy, is that a word? Chippy, I don't think it applies. It's a little chilly. I'm gonna leave that in there. I'm not cutting that out. It's a little chippy this morning, brother. What in the world is wrong with me? That's what Mrs. OMG always says. What is wrong with you? It's usually after I say something that I think's hilarious and she doesn't think's very funny at all. It's supposed to rain for the next 2 or 3 days, so I'm not a big fan of that. Oh, let's see. Are you pulling out? I don't like riding in the rain anyways, but when you add the cold to it, I really don't like riding in the rain, brother. Come on, let's put this 88 cubic inch to work. Oh, I just got smoked by a minivan. I was merging. That's the only reason. It actually feels really good. I'm a little surprised that it does not feel a little colder on the interstate than this right here. It feels really good. It almost feels like spring. But it's supposed to drop over the next couple of days, and it's supposed to rain for the next couple of days, which is that's not very cool. But there's the sun trying to poke through the clouds over there. Man, the sun almost looks like it's very close this morning. Hello, seems you're a little larger than normal. Give me a tan, brother. Ah, yes, there it is. The sun and I have this love relationship with the sun. I stand in it. He gives me vitamin D and warms up my blood. I've always been told I'm cold-hearted, so maybe I should stand in the sun more. Jeep Gladiator. Now, the boy the other day was telling me that he wants a Jeep Gladiator. He said, do you like them, Dad? No, I don't. He said, why not? They're so cool looking. And I said, well, before I tell you why I don't like them, you're able, and I always want you to have and form your own opinion. Look, I got a phone call. Mrs. OMG. Hello. Yeah. Not too bad. It actually feels pretty good. I'm on the interstate. I'm about to get off at Goose Creek bypass. Hello? Are you there? Hello? 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 Alright, I guess she didn't want to talk anymore. I don't even know what I was saying. So the Jeep Gladiator, I said, before I tell you my opinion on that, it's always good for you to have your own thoughts and form your own opinions. And it's okay if we like different things. And he goes, okay. I said, I hate it. It looks terrible. And he goes, that's not very nice, Dad. He said, that's ugly. He's on this thing where every time you say something to him that he doesn't like, that's ugly. Alright, I'm going to run this errand over here real quick, and then hopefully when I finish this little errand that I have to run, and I get back on the bike, the sun will be shining. Although those look like rain clouds, but it's not supposed to rain. Looks like it rained up here. I don't like the looks of this, brother. Alright, I'll be back in a momento. Well, it'll be a memento for you guys, but for me, it's going to be a little bit. Alright, see you in a sec. Alright, look, I told you guys the sun would be poking out a little bit. At least that's what it said on the weather forecast. But the interesting thing is that it keeps telling me the sun will be out at 9. And then 9 o'clock comes around, the sun will be out at 10. So it keeps pushing it back an hour. And now it says that it'll be sunny and bright at 1 p.m. It says it'll be sunny and bright at 1 p.m. and now it's 11. So we'll see if 1 p.m. if it actually is sunny and bright at 1 p.m. Or if they push it to 2, and then guess what time the sun goes down? 4:30. But those clouds right there, it looks like it's gonna be rain. So I have a surprise for you guys on next week's episode. I kind of want to tell you, but I can't because it wouldn't be a surprise anymore. But somebody, you know what? I'll give you a hint. I'll tell you what. All right, OMG Nation. Somebody that has not been on the channel in a while is going to make an appearance on the channel on the next episode. I think some of you people, some of you guys, and the 4 women that watch this channel, I think you guys will be pleasantly surprised. This is not my most favorite position to be in on the interstate, behind an 18-wheeler within blown out tire position. Basically, if something were to happen and one of those guys was to lose a, what do they call them? Their treads, they call them gators. There was a gator come flying up at me. That wouldn't be good, brother. And it's windy. It's real windy. You can see it blowing that truck around. It's blowing me around too. But I'm strong, brother. I'm real strong. If this was a traditional Fat Boy with the disc rims on it, I'd be doing the shake with the handlebars going back and forth. You guys that are headed into winter in those northern states, what's it like right now up there with you guys? Is it real cold? Let me know down in the comments. Is this the time of year where you actually have to, I know some of you guys have to put your bikes up. I mean, you just can't ride around in the 4 foot of snow that falls on you every year. If you guys remember last year, we were snowed in for about a week or so. I'll try to find that video and put it about right here. What's this guy doing? Don't come up to me, brother. Right. Whoa, pull on over there, brother. What a buffoon. I don't know how you guys drive in Alabama, brother, but that's not how we do it up here in Tennessee. That's a unique sight. A Lincoln pulling an old crusty trailer like that. It's time for me to grab a bite to eat. Or can I go eat, brother? Whoa. You should drive on the wrong side of the road every chance you get. Alright, I'm gonna pull in this little thing up here and give me a little lunch, maybe. I don't know. I might have to get something to go. Man, it is crazy out here today. What in the heck is going on? You've got to have a little extra focus on you today. It's wild out here. So I sat down to edit and I realized I almost forgot to say goodbye to you guys. I mean, I couldn't believe it. I just ended the video. And I'm editing, and I was like, wait a second, I didn't even say bye to the OMG Nation. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. And the answer is yes, I did get my hair cut. And yes, I did trim up my beard. And yes, I have this awesome little, I mean, not little, brother, big boy, biker beard with a point. You know what that means? I don't either. But hey, do not forget, next week's episode, a blast from the past, so to speak. I appreciate you guys staying to this point in the episode. I appreciate you guys watching each and every single episode. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you on the next episode. Stall. Oh, this is recording, by the way.
I didn't think it wasn't recording.
Okay. Just checking.